To buy shares at FNB Bank, you first need to open a share trading account. This can be done online or by visiting your nearest FNB branch. You will need to provide your identification documents and proof of address. Once your account is opened, you will receive a username and password to access the online trading platform. Next, you need to fund your account. You can do this by transferring money from your FNB bank account or by depositing a check. The funds will be available in your trading account once the transfer is complete. Now you can start buying shares. Log in to the online trading platform and search for the company you want to buy shares in. You can search by company name or by stock code. Once you have found the company, click on the Buy button and enter the number of shares you want to buy. You will then be asked to confirm your order. Make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the cost of the shares and that you are buying the correct number of shares. You will also be shown the current price of the share and the total cost of the transaction. After confirming your order, the shares will be bought and added to your portfolio. You can view your portfolio online to see the shares you own and their current value. It is also a good idea to set a budget and stick to it, and to diversify your portfolio by buying shares in different companies and industries. It is also important to keep in mind that buying shares involves risks, and you could lose some or all of your money. It is a good idea to do some research and consider getting advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. FNB Bank also provides a range of tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions, including market news and analysis, and research reports on different companies and industries. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start buying shares at FNB Bank and begin building your investment portfolio. Remember to always prioritize your financial goals and risk tolerance, and to seek advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the investment process.